All right, infanticide in law, infanticide basically means where if willful act, omission, or woman causes the death of a child under the age of 12, and basically if it causes the death of an infant, you are liable for infanticide. Case on point there, State vs. Joseph. Accused was married with 2 children, became pregnant with third child at the time when she was in jail. While collecting shells on the beach in the early hours of the morning, she went into labor and gave birth to a child. She was subsequently discovered lying on the beach by the villagers, and the body of the child was found drifting in the sea sometimes later. She pleaded guilty to infanticide. That means that she killed the child and threw the child in the sea. The court said you are guilty for infanticide, and they sentenced her to 2 months imprisonment with hard labor. All right, the last category of unlawful killing or homicide is manslaughter. Manslaughter is when you kill another person under such circumstances that does not constitute willful murder, or infanticide. Basically, the element of manslaughter is that if you attempt to unlawfully kill another person, if you do an act of omissions that basically kills another person. So if you look at it, there are 2 elements of the offense of manslaughter: that the accused killed the deceased and that he or she did so unlawfully. So basically, the difference between manslaughter and willful murder is that the intent was there in willful murder, and the intent was not there in manslaughter. So the classical case, an example, the State vs. Namalu, basically happened when the accused, Mr. Namalu, picked up former Miss PNG, Miss Rubian Laufa, the deceased, and then was punching her from the house at like in the Fort Benner all the way up. Because of that, the deceased wanted to escape the car, and she opened the door and she was killed. So when the matter went before the court said that the accused is guilty of the mention of deceased Rubian Laufa true or by criminal negligence, contrary to section 302 of the Criminal Code. The evidence established that the accused guilty of Mr. Ruben Laufa contrary to section 302 of the reconstitution. The accused caused the death of the deceased by his voluntary acts. The deliberate and repeated use of violence by the accused against the deceased, which in attempting to flee this assault, basically ended up dying. So you see, that's why sometimes you hear first degree murder. First degree murder, it talks about basically willful murder. You had the intent there, and you went and you killed the person that has died. All right, murder, basically, for instance, you're trying to commit robbery and you end up killing someone. Like in the case that we saw, basically you'll be charged for murder. For manslaughter, you did not have the intention to kill someone, but when you were basically trying to assault someone in the case that we see, that because of those assault and because of the actions, the person found their death. So although the express intention to kill someone, unlawfully kill someone, is not there, but the person has died by way or actions of the accused. So these are sort of some examples of a serious offense, and one of the most serious offense is the taking of another person's life. Under Section 35 of the PNG Constitution, it says that all Papua New Guineans are given the right to life. That means that we have the right to live in this country as Papua New Guineans. So if someone sort of interferes with that right and someone restricts that right, you will note that they will be charged under the categories that I have given out there. All right, towards the end of my slide, I put a picture of the late deceased, and I say loving memory of her. She was a classmate, a colleague, a legal fraternity. May so rest in peace. She was abruptly taken from this world, and the perpetrator has been convicted and in prison. All right. So basically, in the last 4 videos, we've given the overview of the criminal justice system. We looked at what is criminal law. We looked at types of offenses. We looked at actus reus and mens rea. We looked at criminal responsibility, attempt to committing a crime, and intention to commit a crime, and we covered the offense of unlawful killing or homicide. Basically means that it's unlawful to kill a person, and unlawful homicide can be willful murder, infanticide, or manslaughter. Well, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you in your second set of notes, where we go on to look at other indictable offences and summary offences. Thank you.